In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then wait a few seconds. Go to the apps manager. When you open the apps now, all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have in your mobile phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it exactly like this, and then click on data usage. Now all what you want to do here is enable the roaming data and Wi-Fi and mobile data and disable only the background data. Go back, click on permissions, enable every single permission, and then go back again, and now click on storage, click on clear data, and go to the power usage details, click on force stop, and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.